everyone, this is Dalis, also known as Stamper Girl for Kat Scrappiness. Today I am joining here to let you know about two amazing things that are happening right now at Kat Scrappiness. One of them is an amazing giveaway hub that we have going on right now in YouTube. The other one is a challenge that will be running for the entire month of April. We have put together this quick card birthday bundle just for you at an amazing price, and it includes the beautiful Lola stamp, the Hooray sentiment with shadow, the Build the Cake, the Wavy and Wonky ovals, and the Crafty Kuoka paper pack. Also, the Happy Summer enamel dots, all at a great price. And you have two chances to win. Yes, you have right, two chances to win. One from our giveaway hop, and one that we're going to be running a challenge all month of April. And you can read all about it in the Kat Scrappiness blog. Join us!